Okay, so today, in this video, sorry the lighting isn't the best. You know, it's getting a bit dark outside and I'm tired from back to school. It doesn't even relate to the lighting or anything. But today, in this video, we have a week 1 unboxing for FW18. So the Supreme item has finally arrived from Brooklyn, where it came from. So that's where it was shipped from. Usually it ships from New York City, but this time it's shipping from Brooklyn. So a bit of a difference there. I haven't had that before in my orders. But today, we're just gonna do an unboxing of that. And I'm really excited to present this. You know, I'm a bit tired from back to school, because I had my first day today. So if I'm mumbling or anything, it's just because I'm tired. Hopefully it's understandable. I had to wake up pretty early. Maybe not as early as some of y'all, but it was pretty early to me. Usually when I was sleeping it's like 8 or 9. Now I'm getting up at 6 a.m. So a bit of a difference, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. We're gonna get straight into it. It's gonna be a fun one, and hopefully you guys will enjoy it. It's one of my favorite items of the season, and I'm glad that I'm able to unbox it now, because I'm glad, you know, I'm glad that it didn't drop later, because if it dropped later I would have to miss out on some other items and pay resale for them, and I'm glad that I just now get to pay retail for this one, and I got it. So I'm excited to present this. We're gonna get started on this. Let's unbox the item. Alright, so we're just gonna get into the item. This, again, the week 1 drop was pretty big. We had a lot of items, and this is one of them, one of my personal favorites for the season actually, and you know, we got it now. So right there's the item, the sticker's right there. I'm hoping to get the bouncy ball. That was a free gift, and we're gonna see if we got it. Obviously the regular Supreme bag. You guys may have seen a glimpse of the item right there. But I'm about to open this in a second. We got any gifts in here? Nothing. I don't even know if we got stickers. Nope, no stickers, no nothing, but that's fine. You know, we're not gonna be upset about that. But we did get the item we wanted. This is the split art crew neck. This is one of my favorite items of the season. We got it in a size medium, which should fit me nicely, I think. And the navy and red go super well together. As I said, navy and red go well together. And the arc is super, like, this item's actually just dope in general. But we obviously gotta take it out. We can't just talk about how great it is and not show it. So here it is, obviously just regular cotton. Looks super comfortable, and here it is, the red. It's just like, look at this. This separates really nicely. You know, well done, everything there. You can see all that, the tag, made in Canada. I actually didn't know Supreme was made in Canada until recently. I thought it was always made in the USA, but I know it's older items. But yeah, it's pretty dope. I'm gonna put it on right now. I got the navy tee on, so you know, sort of matches with this. You see Supreme uses the same navy color right there. They don't change it up. They did introduce a lot of new colors this season, so you know, I was thinking maybe some things like that would change, but the art, everything's super dope. And I haven't actually had an art design before, so this is something new, and it's pretty dope. All right, so I got the item on. So here it is. It's actually sick. I like this a lot. Gotta tuck the shirt a bit down, put this up, and there we go. Actually, I like it with sort of a navy undershirt. Looks fine, and overall the item, you know, I think it looks decent, actually. It's finally an item I can actually rock that doesn't look 100% whack. Maybe. This may look a bit whack, I don't know. Maybe look like a bit of a clown, actually, though. Like, sort of like looks like what a clown would wear, no joke. But looking at it, you know, I like the art. This is actually super comfortable, and you know, we're starting to head into winter, so it's gonna get a bit colder. This is gonna be something I'm gonna need to rock, of course. Maybe we're at school one day, something like that. It's more or less like a collection item. I'm super happy to have it. And this is definitely a dope item. And you know, they did a really good job with the quality, and obviously the split design is made nicely. So definitely exactly what I expected it to look like when it was in pictures. It did look a bit better in pictures, I'm not going to lie, but it still looks pretty dope. The red is good, the navy's good, and I'm happy with this item. Not to mention, look at the mess on my ground from all the bags. Not trying to brag, I would be stupid to brag over bags, but look at this, looks nice in the closet too. Look at that, with all the other items, it's looking pretty solid, I would say. And yeah, you know, we got the accessories and all that. I'm just not gonna reveal the full collection. I did that a month or so back, but we got more items since. Look at that, this like up close arc, super dope. And you know, they did a really really good job with like embroidering it on. And yeah, it looks nice. But yeah, just thank you all for watching this video. I appreciate it. I'm tired. Hopefully I don't seem like I'm tired. I'm trying to stay energized, but I'm gonna say it one more time. I'm super glad to have this. You know, sort of sucks we didn't get like any of the free gifts, but you know, we're not gonna, again, we got the item. That's all that counts right there. So shout out to Suppbot for helping me get that item. And yeah, you know, this is just a dope item. The crew neck especially. Like, look at the design, the arc. It actually looked really clean on camera, I think, but in person, it's like, you know, it's a bit darker than it is right out there. Like, the navy's a bit darker, and the red's obviously not as bright as it is. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. I appreciate every single one of y'all. Whenever you have a sneaker event, anything like that coming up, SOE, Sneaker Con, whatever I go to next, we're gonna be rocking that with the matching pants, hopefully, and we're just gonna have a dope fit. And you know, I'm super excited to just rock it. It's gonna be cool. And yeah, just anyways, just thank y'all for watching. Subscribe if you're new if you want, like if you want to. I'd appreciate them both. It goes a long way to show you if I'm doing good with my videos, of course. And yeah, thank y'all for watching. Peace out. I'm gonna go get some sleep.
Real got that juice.